What is up, guys? I'm KSCG, and today we'll be reacting to A Chaotic Heart-Swarming Eve by Lightning Bliss. I have no clue what's going to happen other than looking at the thumbnail. I have a feeling Discord is going to show up in this. If that's the case, then let's get started. 3, 2, 1. Oh, some of the people that worked on the Lightning Bliss's music video are in this. What is gonna happen? Ooh, nice scarf.
What did Doc's invitation say it was gonna be again? Let's see.
Dear Blissy, I hope you are having a happy holiday season. This letter is an open invitation to a special get-together that will be held on Hearthwarming Eve at my office in Ponyville. Be sure to arrive before nightfall, and as always, you are more than welcome to bring your peanut butter blossoms as well. P.S. I'm looking forward to introducing you to some of my other friends. One of them in particular you might have met before when you brought Twink over to her animal reserve. She may be a little shy, but since you are the rainbow monster expert, she was hoping she could learn more about them from you. I do hope the two of you will get the opportunity to chat when you get here. Hope to see you soon. Sincerely, Wolfbro.
Wait a minute. Shy? Really, Doc? Could you be any less subtle? Ugh. Meaning one of the main 6 at a casual get-together? But I'm a no pony. I can't just hang out with the element of kindness herself in a normal setting. It was easier when I did business with her to get Twink cleaned. What if she doesn't like me? What if I say something stupid or make a fool of myself?
Just calm down. Oh no.
What if Discord is there with her?
He's right there.
I mean, I like the guy. He's fun, but it's Discord.
Oh.
No, calm down, Bliss.
Nice movements.
Calm
I love the movements.
down. This is Doc we're talking about. He would have put
Oh,
you in any kind
man.
of danger and expose you to a demon of chaos. Ironic, considering I have friends as demons. But anyway, surely it'll be fine. They're just regular folks having a little heart-swarming e-party, just like you and your friends.
Oh no.
Okay, just keep it together.
Oh no.
Hi, I'm Lightning Bliss. Nice to meet you. No.
Oh no.
Hi there. I'm Lightning, but my friends call me Bliss, or Blissy if you like. No.
How does she not notice the portal?
Hi, Miss Shy and Mr. Lord Discord. I am Alicorn Lightning Bliss and a friend of Dr. Wolf. Ugh! Bliss, could you be any more?
Oh, there go her cookies.
No, not again! Not another unknown dimension, please!
Ah!
Hello? Huh. I could have sworn I heard something.
Is everything okay, Doc?
Sorry, Fluttershy, it's just I
Oh.
thought I heard my friend Blissy knocking and calling my name. What's this?
Oh, are those peanut butter blossoms?
I think so? Yep, looks like they are. But where is Blissy? It's not like her to just abandon her specialty and vanish into thin air like...
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh's right. Oh, man.
Oh, sweet Celestia, where am I?
Oh man. Is Discord's homeworld called
Stop.
the Void?
Spinning. Please. Feeling nauseous. Stop. Spin.
Let's... That's like the worst.
Shadow Rush, I swear if you mere nap to me again, I'll...
I hear music.
Well, how adorable.
Oh man,
Lightning Bliss.
they're really doing this.
Ooh, ain't this a show? So you're the one the puppy's been talking about. You're joking. You're joking. No, seriously.
If you couldn't
what
tell,
is
it's
this?
Oogie
You're
Boogie's song
joking
from
me.
Nightmare
You
Before
gotta be.
Christmas.
This can't be Little Bliss. She's tiny. She's puny. I don't know which is worse. My eyes just might pop out now if I don't die rolling first. Mr. Lord of Chaos says there's trouble close, my friend. You better pay attention now. Your rainbow's at an end. And if you aren't trembling, there's something clearly wrong. 'Cause you're not as cute as Fluttershy. Now hear my crazy song. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Well, that's where they come in.
Crazy Lord Discord. Well, if I'm feeling really bored and I have nothing much to do, I might exile and cast you out with a good old toodaloo. Or maybe there's something else that would make this game more fun. Sending you, little Blissy Boo, into the blinding sun.
Ugh.
Yeah, I'm your crazy Lord Discord.
Hey there, I don't mean to upset you to an extreme degree.
Um,
But Book Bro is expecting me, so let me go, please?
Oh, you're joking! You're joking! You're really yanking my chain! Will someone shut this pony up? My patience is so drained. It's pitiful. How sad. No wonder you need those guards. And now, with your permission, I'm going to play my cards.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to do the best I can.
oh man.
Oh, the sound of screaming alicorns is sweet like chocolate pie. I'm a mischief cause, an entity who won't share Fluttershy. I'm entertained, I must confess, when I toy with my guests. No offense, of course, little alicorn. This is all in fun jests.
Release me now, or you'll have to answer to Solar and Jugglet.
Oh, Blissy, you're nothing. You really are a ham. You aren't comprehending that you're truly
Change it back,
a
please.
ham. It's my home. Get comfy. You don't have magic here. 'Cause I'm the Lord of Chaos, and you ain't going nowhere.
So what does he want with her? Just to mess with her?
Discord!
Uh-oh.
Fluttershy? Oh, come on! You brought the canine too?
You put Lightning Bliss down this instant! Can't you see you're scaring her?
What? Don't be ridiculous. We were just getting to know one another. That's all. No harm in that. Isn't that right, little Blissy?
Nope.
Lightning, I'm here. Just hold on. Yeah. Oh no. Not again. Easy does it, Lightning. Just keep your eyes closed.
Oh no.
Discord, why would you kidnap Lightning like this? She didn't do anything to you.
Oh, you're making a big deal out of nothing for Scorpant's sake. We were just having a little fun.
You mean you were having a little fun.
Quite so. But this isn't exactly the ideal place for us to talk about this. Would you please put us back at my office?
Before I start to blow
Oh.
chunks.
Fine. I swear, you ponies have no sense of entertainment.
Oh, goodness.
All right.
I'm so sorry, Blissy. Discord can get a little,
Dramatic?
I'm not being dramatic. I'm reformed, remember? I mean, you should. You're the pony who's responsible for that.
Then why did you snatch Lightning Bliss away into your dimension? What could she have possibly done to deserve such brash treatment?
Well, it's not my fault she rivals your adorableness. She doesn't deserve to be around you.
Wait, what was that?
I was just,
That's what this is all about? You're jealous for Fluttershy because you've been hearing that Bliss is cuter than her?
Excuse me?
Oh.
Oh. Well, when you put it
Yes.
that way, I guess it does sound kind of pathetic.
You think? Miss Bliss, I am so sorry this happened to you. Discord can get a little insecure when it comes to who I spend time with, but I promise you he's been getting better at it. Now, don't you think there's some pony you owe an apology to?
Yes.
Not me!
Oh, very well. I'm... Come on, Discord. You did it before. You can do it again. I'm... I'm sorry, Lightning Bliss. I'm sorry for jumping to conclusions and causing you so much trouble.
There we go.
I guess I can be a little possessive when it comes to my friends, especially Fluttershy. I hope we can start over. I do recall hearing you were nervous about meeting us, and I guess I didn't help much with that, did I?
Oh no.
Blissy, are you alright?
Oh dear.
You want cute? I'll show you cute!
Oh yeah.
Wait, Bliss,
Do
stop!
not call Blissy cute, guys. Do not.
Serves you right. Now you can be the cutest one at the party.
Really?
Oh.
This is your big clapback? Please, I've had worse makeovers from Rare and... okay, I surrender!
That's what I thought. Speaking of parties, is there a hot chocolate, little bro? I could use a big cup of it right about now.
I like the added snowfall effects.
Yes, of course. Let's get you inside. Before more chaos happens.
Mm-hmm.
You know, this is a really good look for you. Happy heart-swarming Discord.
Happy hearts warming.
Of course, the Wilsonator as Discord. Hold on, who played... Really, Katie Patterson as Fluttershy. Interesting. And that's pretty much it. So just another Lightning Bliss cartoon. And as always, her work continues to grow, and I've noticed that for this short in particular, I think she really got to like put in a little more, I guess, like unique vector movements. Of course, that running cycle when she was in the void, but also like stretching the vectors, and of course, like lip syncing as well. And yeah, that's all I can say. It was very fun. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and comment below on what you thought, as well as subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future reactions of mine, either by Lightning Bliss or Dr. Wolf for TF2 analysis. Until next time, I'm KSCG. Wash your hands, and happy holidays.